New Claude free updates are insane. You've been paying for AI tools you might not need to pay for anymore. Every single week, people are doing more with AI for free than others are paying $100 a month to do. And if you've been sleeping on Claude's free plan, you just got left behind. Big time, because Anthropic just dropped a wave of updates that completely changed what you can do with Claude at zero cost. We're talking memory, connectors, file creation, skills, features that used to be paid only are now free. And there's one more thing at the end of this video that's going to change how you actually use all of this. Stay with me. Hey, I'm Skylar. I'm an AI educator, and I help people figure out which AI tools are actually worth your time, how to use them properly, and how to build real workflows that save you hours every week. So let's get into it. Claude just had one of the biggest free plan upgrades we've seen from any AI company this year, and I want to walk you through exactly what changed, what it actually means for how you work, and how you can start using this stuff today. Let's start with the biggest one. Memory is now free on Claude. For the longest time, every time you started a new conversation with Claude, it had no idea who you were. You had to re-explain your project, your tone preferences, your business, your audience, every single time. It was frustrating, and if you've ever typed the same context paragraph into an AI tool more than twice, you know exactly what I mean. That's done now. Claude's memory feature was previously paid only. Now it's free for everyone. So if you told Claude last week that you run a social media agency, write in a casual tone, and focus on health and wellness brands, it knows that the next time you open a new chat, you don't repeat yourself, you just get straight to work. There's also something really cool that came with this rollout. Anthropic launched a memory import tool. If you've built up a bunch of memory and preferences in another AI tool, like ChatGPT, you can actually import that data into Claude. So you're not starting from scratch. You bring your context with you. That's a huge friction reduction for anyone who's been thinking about giving Claude a real try, but didn't want to lose all the setup they'd done elsewhere. And memory isn't just passive. You can review what Claude has saved, you can edit it, you can delete specific memories if they're no longer accurate, and if you want a completely fresh conversation, Claude now has incognito chats that exclude themselves from your memory entirely. This is smart, thoughtful design. It gives you control without making it complicated. Now here's where it gets even more interesting, because memory is just the starting point. Let me talk about connectors. This is the feature that turns Claude from a chat tool into something that actually works inside the tools you use every day. Claude now has a connectors directory with over 150 integrations, tools across coding, data, design, finance, sales, and more. On paid plans, you can connect Claude directly to those tools. And on the free plan, you can browse the full directory and see exactly what's available when you're ready to upgrade. So what does a connector actually do? Here's the problem it solves. Every time you've asked an AI to help with something real, like your Notion docs or your Gmail inbox, you had to copy and paste everything in first. Basically, do the AI's research before it could even help you. With connectors, that's gone. Claude connects directly to your tools and works with your actual data. So instead of asking Claude to write a summary of my project status, you ask it to summarize my current Asana sprint, and it actually pulls the data and does it. No copy-paste, no explaining. Some of the integrations in the directory include tools like Notion, Canva, Figma, Slack, Gmail, Google Calendar, and many more. And because these connectors are built on something called the Model Context Protocol, which is an open standard, the ecosystem is growing constantly. New integrations are being added all the time. And here's something I want to flag because it directly connects to how powerful this gets. If you're a paid user on Pro or above, you can add custom connectors too. So you can hook Claude into tools that aren't in the directory yet, including internal tools, proprietary systems, whatever your workflow needs. But even starting with the free plan, you can explore the full directory and know exactly what you're working toward. This is the point in my own AI journey where everything clicked for me. When I first started building these kinds of workflows, I was honestly overwhelmed. I didn't know which tools were worth setting up, which workflows would actually save time, and which ones were just cool demos that didn't translate to real work. That's when I found a community called AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 members, all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. Now let me keep going because there's more, and honestly, some of this is underrated. File creation is now on the free plan. Claude can now generate actual downloadable files, not just text you copy out of a chat window. Real files, Word documents, Excel spreadsheets, PowerPoint presentations, PDFs. You describe what you need and Claude builds it. A budget tracker, a client proposal, a content calendar with formulas, a slide deck for a meeting. This used to be a paid feature. It's free now. And if you combine this with memory and connectors, you start to see what's actually being built here. An AI that knows who you are, has access to your tools and data, and can produce real outputs you can actually use. Skills are also now free. Skills are basically saved instruction sets that teach Claude how you want things done. And once you set one up, Claude applies it automatically whenever it's relevant. So if you're a marketer, you set up a skill that always applies your brand voice. If you're a developer, one that enforces your team's coding conventions. Set it once, Claude applies it every time. You can also stack skills together. Claude detects which ones are relevant to what you're doing and loads them automatically. It's a really practical way to get consistent output without repeating your instructions over and over. There's also a growing skills directory with pre-built options from platforms like Notion, Figma, and Atlassian, so you're not always building from scratch. And then there's one more feature that doesn't get enough attention: context compaction. This one solves a really specific frustration. You're in the middle of a long conversation with Claude. You're building something complicated, maybe a research project, a document, a coding workflow, and then you hit the context limit. Claude loses track of everything from earlier in the conversation, and suddenly you're starting over. Context compaction fixes that. As you approach the limit, Claude automatically summarizes the earlier parts of the conversation, so you can keep going without losing your thread. This is now available on the free plan too. For anyone doing long, complex work in Claude, this matters a lot. Let's zoom out for a second and look at what all of this actually adds up to. That's not a basic chatbot anymore. That's a serious AI workflow at zero cost. And while other platforms have been adding more paywalls and moving features behind subscriptions, Claude just opened everything up. The question is whether you're actually using it. Here's how I'd recommend getting started. First, turn on memory. Go to your Claude settings and make sure memory is enabled. Then have a conversation where you introduce yourself, your work, your preferences. Let Claude build that initial context, review it, and correct anything that's off. Second, if you're on a paid plan, pick one connector that links to a tool you use daily and set it up. Start simple. Gmail or Google Calendar is a good starting point for most people. Try a basic task. Ask Claude to check your schedule. Summarize recent emails. Something low stakes. Get comfortable with it before you go deeper. If you're on the free plan, browse the directory at claude.com/connectors so you know what's there when you're ready. Third, think about what repetitive tasks you do every week that require writing or document creation. Client reports, status updates, content drafts, research summaries. Build a skill or workflow around one of those and see how much time it saves. And keep it simple at first. The goal is to find one or two workflows that genuinely save you time and do them well before you try to automate everything. The free plan upgrades are real and they're significant, but the actual value comes from how you apply them. That's always been the gap between people who get results from AI and people who don't. It's not access to tools, it's knowing how to use them properly. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not. Which tools are worth your time. Which ones to skip, no hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and over 100 AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. That's everything on Claude's free updates. If this was useful, hit subscribe. More of this coming every week.